everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Paul BGMZ here. Today's vlog is extra special. The reason why it's extra special is because this is my first time visiting the legendary Warner Brothers studio located in Burbank, California. And today I am here to go on a fantastic tour to celebrate the 4th anniversary of everyone's favorite bow tie wearing legend, Pee Wee Herman. That's right, 40 years of Pee Wee Herman's wild adventures, his unforgettable laugh, and that amazing mix of fun and imagination that made his world so unique.
Why don't you take a picture? It'll last longer.
Exploring the tram tour inside the Warner Brothers lot for the first time was an incredible experience. The tram takes you behind the scenes to explore the magic of Hollywood. You get to see the fake buildings and houses that have been used in countless movies, TV shows, and sitcoms. It's amazing how the studio reused these backlots to create totally different worlds on screen. But the highlight of this particular tour was all about Pee Wee Herman.
Right over here is where he saves a pair of snakes, and he fell onto the floor using his classic physical comedy, of course, as we love from Pee Wee's Big Adventure. And oh, there's Madame Ruby. There's Madame Ruby's psychic shop. And in the alleyway right over here is going to be when you see the big shadow of him walking, and then you see him, and then the 4 guys approach him, and they say, "What are you doing here?" He tells them, and they all run away. Okay, so if you look on your right-hand side, this is going to be where Pee Wee is going to be swinging on a vine, imitating Tarzan on his bicycle. Also in this jungle, in the post-credit scene, when Agent PW, when you see the movie within a movie where he was the ninja star, and James Brolin's character and Dottie were here, and that was all going to be filmed inside this jungle.
And the fun didn't stop there. After the tram tour, Warner Brothers hosted an awesome celebration for everyone. They had food and refreshments for all the guests. The famous red bike from the movie on display, and even a guest star appearance by Mark Holton himself, the original actor who played Francis Buxton. So many fans showed up, dressed as their favorite characters from Pee Wee's Big Adventure. It was like being part of the movie itself. And to top it all off, everyone got to head into a Warner Brothers theater for a special screening of the classic Pee Wee's Big Adventure film. Watching it surrounded by fellow fans made it an unforgettable experience. You could really feel how much Pee Wee's humor and creativity still mean to people today, who continues to bring joy decades later. For my first ever visit to Warner Brothers, I couldn't have asked for a better experience. The Pee Wee Herman 4th anniversary tram tour was the perfect mix of movie magic. If you ever get a chance to take the Warner Brothers studio tour, do it. It's an incredible look at Hollywood history. And who knows, maybe you'll catch a theme event. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This video will be ending soon, but please enjoy some extras I shot before leaving Warner Brothers. This is Paul signing off. See you guys in the next one. Yeah, do it. Thought that we're supposed to wear ear protection for that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The only one that I know is this one now.
Oh, this one?
The only two I know.
We're in the Harry Potter. Harry Potter Tavern.